Saving money starts with developing good financial habits and being mindful of your spending. Begin by tracking where your money goes every month. This is going to help you understand your spending patterns and identify areas where you can cut back. For example, you might notice that you're spending too much on dining out or subscriptions that you don't use. Once you have a clearer picture of your expenses, make adjustments to reduce unnecessary costs. One effective way is to pay yourself first by, set up an automated transfer to a savings account as soon as you receive your income. By prioritizing your savings this way, you ensure that you're putting money aside before you have the chance to spend it. Okay? Another key to saving is to find ways to simplify your lifestyle. Look for cost effective alternatives like cooking at home instead of eating out, or shopping secondhand items when possible. So cutting, small changes like cutting back on impulse purchases can add up over time and free up money over time. So additionally, consider finding ways to increase your income, such as taking up a part-time job, selling your items that you no longer need. So with consistency and discipline, saving money becomes easier and more rewarding as you build towards your financial goals. Let me know if this helped.